Hello and welcome, my name is Crow. Welcome to this little short video that I'm making today, and it's to accompany one of the Etsy listings that we have, and it's for a shamanic drum, and it's for this beautiful shamanic drum just here. Now this is a 20-inch frame diameter. It's a horseskin drum. It's on a willow frame. As you can see, it's rather large, it's rather beautiful. Let's turn it over. So on the lacing side of things, we've got artificial sinew here, which is bound to this inside hoop. And this inside hoop has been bound with raw Jacob's wool, so it's sheep's wool, and it's just straight from the fleece, wound around, and then I've wound around spun wool over the top to secure it into place. That's rather lovely, it's rather nice. You still feel the lanolin in the wool. That's lovely. The cross here, the 4 directions, is formed by beechwood, and I've tied and bound together in the middle with some leather, and I've burnt the 4 directions into each one of these, along with the symbol for the directions, so earth, air, fire, water, alongside the actual direction. On the inside of the frame, let me spin it round so I can see. I put in the date of birth. Now the date of birth is to enable you to be able to go along and make a birth chart, or just purely find out what the birthday is for this drum, so you can even if you just look at the sun sign, that will give you an idea of some of the energies and characteristics of the drum. But if you go along to a site called astro.com, now I have no affiliations with that site, but it's just the one that I use personally, then you could formulate a full chart, birth chart, with all of the planets, all of the aspects, and all of their relationships to each other, which will give you an idea of the character of the drum. So it's the 19th of May 2022, this particular drum, in Knighton, Powys, UK, and that geographical location is quite important when you're putting together a chart. And I've also put my maker's mark in there. So let's have a little play. 2 beaters, soft beater, firm beater, both or either are available to purchase alongside the drum if you decide that this is the drum for you. It's an option at checkout. Let's start with the softer beater. Here we go. Gorgeous. And the firmer beater. Here we go again. Okay, on the larger drums especially, you do often get areas that play different tones, so different tonal timbres I think they're called, and this one has got a lot of different timbres, a lot of different areas on the drum where you get a slightly different tone, which is rather beautiful, enables you to create quite complex patterns sometimes. Okay, so I'll stop talking now. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helps you to make a more informed decision. I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.